In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation, and here we've got the recent items button. I can clear them all. We've got home button here in the middle of the screen, and then back button right here. To switch it to gesture navigation, you need to reach settings right here, and in search area enter navigation. And just click on system navigation, and as you can see right here, you can switch between free button navigation to gesture navigation, so you can smoothly mark it. And now, as you can see, you can use gesture navigation. So how it works: you can slide up to go back to your home screen, then slide up to see all recent items, and then to go back you need to slide from left to right and from right to left to go back. And this is it, this is how it works. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.